What's up? This is Mr. Invisible Affiliate. We're continuing our video series on the 3 traffic methods that you want to utilize in order to create 6 and 7 figures with affiliate marketing. We discuss traffic that you can control, traffic that you own, and traffic that you earn. Today's video is all about traffic that you can control. Are you tired of being broke? Are you tired of watching everybody else win? Are you tired of not living the life you deserve? Well, the time is now. I'm going to show you how to unleash your best potential and create 6 figures online with affiliate marketing. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. I teach people about affiliate marketing and how to make money online. Make sure you smash that like button, drop me some comments below, and visit any of my websites in the descriptions below if you're interested in our courses, our affiliate programs, and things of that nature, right, to help you make a little bit of extra money. So if you're watching this video, you're probably already in affiliate marketing and you want to know different traffic methods. So we're doing this quick video series, and today I'm going to talk quickly about traffic that you can control. I mentioned it in the last video that traffic you can control is traffic that you pay for, okay? Traffic that you pay for. I'm a huge advocate of paid traffic because it works quickly, okay? You spend a little bit of money, you tell the person that you're buying the advertising from where you want the advertising to be, all right? So for example, one of my favorites, I'm gonna give you my top 3 right now. The last one is not necessarily paid, but it can be, okay? So the first one is Facebook ads. I absolutely love Facebook ads, okay? I love the fact that I can track everything. I can track the visitors. I can track the people who give me emails. I can track the people who made purchases. I can look at my return on investment. Like, their dashboard is amazing and it's always getting better every single day. I absolutely love Facebook ads. Now, if you're new to Facebook ads, they will whip you into shape as far as spending all your money very quickly if you don't manage it properly, okay? So if you're getting into Facebook ads, make sure you start your campaign slow, right? Start them slow and low and try to understand the matrix of the platform before you start revving up your ad spend, okay? If a small amount of money is not getting you any results, then that doesn't mean spending a whole lot more money is going to get you any more results than you're getting with the small, you know what I mean? So when all your factors are put into place, you're gonna get results whether you spend a little bit of money or a lot of money, right? The amount of money that you spend obviously is gonna be based on, how many people get to see the funnel now, how many people actually get to go through the funnel. But if your funnel sucks, doesn't matter if you spend $5 or $1,000, you're not gonna get any results. So Facebook ads, one of my favorite ways to spend money and get traffic that I can control, because I tell Facebook who I want my advertisements to be in front of. You know what I'm saying? I talk to who I want to talk to with Facebook, and I love it. My second favorite is solo ads, okay? This goes up and down depending on the market that you talk to. Solo ads don't work, solo ads do work. I'm an advocate for solo ads because that's the quickest way you're actually gonna build your list, right? When you're new to this, when you don't know a lot of platforms, because with solo ads, you only need to learn 2 different things, right? The first thing is how to write a decent email, okay? Can you write a decent email? If you can write a decent email, okay, solo ads can work for you. You will build your list. And if you can nurture that list, what does nurture means? It means that you're willing, once a week, once a day, whatever's convenient to do to you, that you will email that list, keep them updated with you, keep them updated with your results, keep them updated with information that's going to help them make the decision to buy. Just yesterday, 2 people purchased my course, okay? 2 people purchased my course, and they were people who actually subscribed to the list like 2 weeks ago. I looked at their emails in my Aweber account. They subscribed to the list 2 weeks ago. They subscribed to the list, and they just now purchased the product yesterday, okay? So that's the power of growing a list. When you're doing solo ads, it's not instant. It can be, but it's not always, and you shouldn't expect it to be. The goal for a solo ad is, I'm gonna build my list of quality leads, prospects who are interested in what I'm selling. I grow that list, I email that list continuously, and that's when my sales will start to come in, okay? I even email them videos like these, just so they can get to know who I am and that I know my stuff, okay? The third thing, it's not necessarily paid, but it can be YouTube ads. I don't do a lot of paid YouTube ads, okay? I know marketers that do, and you can get a lot of really quality results with paid YouTube ads, but I don't necessarily do it at this point in time, right? April 16th, 2020, I don't do any paid YouTube ads, but I do create videos on YouTube, and I take advantage of the search traffic, right? So people go to YouTube every day. You probably went to YouTube, searched on a specific topic about traffic, and boom, my video might have came up. All right, so I love YouTube. With the combination of those three things, you can create 6 and 7 figures easy, right? With consistency and learning about each platform and learning how to get better at those different platforms. You can create a lot of traffic that you control because you determine who you want to get in front of, right? So with the YouTube video, I determine what questions I want to answer, okay? So I create videos around the questions that I want to answer. So when those people are searching for those questions on YouTube, my videos can pop up. So that's traffic that I can control. So those three methods, those are my three favorite. There's a ton of other ways that you can create traffic that you can control, but I'm talking to you from my perspective. If you got any value today, make sure you subscribe to the channel for future videos. Make sure you smash that like button. I want you to drop a comment below, and let's do this thing. Let's grow to 6 and 7 figures with affiliate marketing.